This is a comprehensive review of the Z-Edge S3 dashcam that costs £140 from Amazon. From unboxing to specs to first use and installation. There you go, it's the dashcam. Let's get going. So here are the specs of the Z-Edge S3 dashcam. Comes with two cameras, front 1080p and a rear 1080p, and it's also supplied with a 16 gigabyte class 10 micro SD card. That, with both front and back cameras fitted, is estimated to record for 1.5 hours at 30 frames per second, which implies that with only the front camera attached, 1080p at 60 frames per second will record for about 2 hours. And similar for 1440p at 30 megahertz. So 16 gigabyte will get you 1.5 hours with both, or 2 hours with just the front. So if you use both front and back cameras, a 64 gigabyte card should be able to take about 6 hours of footage, and a 128 gigabyte card about 12 hours. And about 1/3 longer if only one camera is fitted, i.e. the front one. Note, the micro SD cards have to be formatted to FAT32, which the camera will do for you, because the normal formatting for 64 gigabyte and higher is exFAT, which is not compatible. That might cause you some problems, so always format to FAT32. Important. And ensure you get a class 10 or faster memory card. Now, the camera has numerous settings that include continuous loop. Let me get this here. Here's the English one. It's got various settings you can include, from, like I said, continuous loop recording, motion detection, parking mode. So it's quite comprehensive, and it also records in MP4 format. Now, the pack comes with two adhesive mounts for the front and rear, to attach the front and rear. Well, the rear's already got one attached, but this one came with two adhesive mounts. But there's no suction mount, though there is enough USB cables to get it installed in your car. And there's also this to plug into your cigarette lighter if you need it, and a few cable ties. So the camera needs to be connected to the power all of the time, and automatically comes on when it detects power. So it needs to be plugged into your USB port permanently, even though it's got a battery. However, to enable parking mode, then the small battery it contains 470 milliamps does the job. So it does not need power when in parking mode. And the final spec to take note of is that it can also record audio, but you have to set it in the menu. So let's turn it on, see if it comes on. There we go. Please insert SD card. So these are the specs. The screen is, well, from what I can see, it's quite reasonable resolution. So these are the specs of the Z-Edge S3 dashcam. Do check out the other videos in this series as we use it for the first time and test it with different memory cards and what the footage looks like when driving. So subscribe for those videos if not already uploaded.